Kia ora, tēnā koutou katoa. Well, we're going to be going for another motorcycle over the next several days. Going to be going towards Golden Bay, which is in the northern part of South Island of New Zealand. Anyway, we're going to show you down here roughly where we plan to go in Golden Bay. But, it's currently it's the 31st of August, so it's springtime for New Zealand, and yeah, springtime for New Zealand, we do get a bit of rain, but today it looks like we've got a pretty nice day, and hopefully be like that for the remainder of the day and get some more nice days during the week. Okay. Well, we've got ourselves a new front tyre, a Hyder now. It was $125 delivered, New Zealand dollars. It once got 30,000 kilometres out of a set of these Hyder now tyres. Yep, they were pretty bald by then. Okay. Okay, this is the northern part of South Island of New Zealand. We've got Nelson there, this is Tasman Bay, and this is Golden Bay, where we're going to be planning to go. You know, we're going to go along the west bank of the Motueka road, have a look at the river, and then go over the Takaka Hill. And then from there we'll make a decision of what to do and where to go around this area here in general. We've got Takaka here, which is the biggest town in Golden Bay. Motueka here. Okay, and that's Farewell Spit. Motueka, the Maori meaning is the island, the weka. Weka's a native bird to New Zealand. It's pretty endemic. Yeah, it's got a habit of going for your camping gear. It's 100 kilometres from Nelson to Takaka. New Zealand's rated number 43 in the world for quality of roads. That's largely due to its small population and geography. Well, we're doing a short stop here on the Motueka River. There's been plenty of rain last few weeks, so the highest point in the Totaranui Hill range is 791 metres and has limestone caves and sinkholes. It's 100 kilometres from Nelson to Takaka. The first two horse-drawn carriages went over the Takaka Hill in 1888. Takaka Hill is a range of hills that only one road goes over it, State Highway 60. Harwood Hole is a cave system that's 50 metres wide at the entrance and descends 183 metres. Harwood's Hole is New Zealand's deepest vertical shaft. Takaka's Māori meaning, it was after a story about a slave called Takaka who went searching for greenstone, which was forbidden from him or tapu, and so he ended up getting turned into marble. That's Māori meaning for Takaka. At one stage, Golden Bay was called Coal Bay because of the coal that was found here. French explorers Jules Dumont d'Urville visited the area in 1827 and changed the name to Massacre Bay. Captain James Cook explored the bay in 1770. It was his second voyage to New Zealand. Dairy farmers in peak season in the Golden Bay produce 530,000 litres of milk per day. It's estimated that the Maoris have been living here since 1450. Golden Bay was once a resting area for migrating whales and dolphins, such as the southern right whales, the humpback whales and the pygmy blue whales. Dutch explorer Abel Tasman anchored in this bay in 1642. 4 Dutch seamen were killed by the Maori when they tried to land at a sacred area. It used to be a major agricultural centre for the Maoris. Upper Takaga to go to the Cobb Reservoir.
38 kilometres.
107 kilometres from Nelson to the Cobb Reservoir. European settlement began in October 1842 in Golden Bay. Gold was discovered in the late 1850s, and that is when they changed the name to Golden Bay. Corangi National Park is New Zealand's second largest national park after Fiordland. It's about 450,000 hectares and was created in 1996. Cobb Valley was named after a prospector who gave his own name to it. The Cobb Valley was carved by glaciers during the Ice Age. The weka is a flightless bird. The adult weighs about 900 grams, or about the size of a chicken. It's got a good habit of checking you out to see what's in your camping gear. Corangi stands for, in Maori, means treasured possession. Okay, well, we're up at the Cobb Dam now. Well, at least above the lake. Cobb Valley Road, Cobb Dam Road, there's the powerhouse right there. And then it's all been gravelled road along here. And now we're going to go along the Cobb Reservoir, Cobb River campsite. And just now this mountain bike track walking trail here joins up the Graham Valley South Branch Road to Motueka. We're going to take a look in here. They've got some old photographs of when they were building the dam. Okay. Cotaranui National Park. Okay. The power station is a 32 megawatt power station. Some of the minerals found in the Cobb Valley are serpentine, magnesium, asbestos. Both were mined. And a side tributary called Sam's Creek holds New Zealand's largest undeveloped gold deposit. The power station project was begun in 1937 as a private venture, but the government took it over in 1940. It was eventually completed in 1953. The reservoir is 600 metres above the power station. It's the Lockett Range there. The reservoir is about 800 metres above sea level. The penstock water pipes are 4 kilometres long. Annual rainfall is around 2,200 millimetres per year. Some 38% of New Zealand roads are unsealed. The campsite at the head of the reservoir is 123 kilometres from Nelson. It's also 73 kilometres from Motueka or 60 kilometres from Takaka. Okay, we're going to lay the map down here and have a little look. Okay. So we're at Cobb Reservoir there, the Cobb Valley, and we've got the Lockett Range. Okay, so we're just about there at the moment, about here, at the head of the Cobb Reservoir. Then we're going to be heading towards Takaka. So, yeah, there's a few wekas around here. Good to know. Not too sure what the weather's going to be like tomorrow. Okay, guess we'll find out. this place a bit late. So currently just a bit of light rain so we're just having a basic cook up at the moment. Yep. Just keep it simple, some bacon and sausages tonight. You don't want to give it any longer, I don't think. Wow, she's raining tonight. Not sure what the weather forecast is going to be like, but we're going to have a look on the internet. That's where we are basically now, Golden Bay. Not too sure what the weather's going to be like tomorrow in the morning. Okay, we want the Met surface. Totaranui is about 38 kilometres from Takaka Township. Golden Bay has a population of about 3,800 people. Takaka Township has a population of about 1,300 people. The average temperature for Golden Bay during the summer is about 18 degrees. Okay, we're going to be just left Takaka, we're heading towards Totaranui. We're going to explore around this area here. Okay. Then, okay. Well, we just stopped here at the moment. We're heading towards Totaranui. It's a bit cloudy and a bit of rain over this way behind us. Luckily, the direction we're heading at the moment is clear. I'm not sure what it's going to do for weather-wise for the rest of the day. Takaka gets an average of 80 inches of rain per year, or 2 metres of rain per year. The average temperature is 13 degrees. Driest month is February, which is pretty standard in New Zealand. And the wettest month is July, where they get on average 220 mils of rain. Well, when I filled up with fuel in Takaka, it was $2.06 per litre for 91 octane. And that was 26 cents more expensive than Motueka. $2.06 equals $1.35 in the US, or a pound and 5p in the UK, or in euro, it's €1.16 for a litre of 91 octane. Abel Tasman National Park was created in 1942, 300 years after Abel Tasman visited the area. Awara Bay means fullest in Maori. Probably relates to seashells and the estuaries there. Abel Tasman National Park is about 240 kilometres square in size, or 59,000 acres. Abel Tasman National Park gets about 230,000 visitors in 2017 at least. So, well, we've arrived at Totaranui. We'll go and take a look at the beach to see how crowded it is shortly. Okay, there's Abel Tasman National Park. We're presently at Totaranui. We'll go and check the beach out. Pretty much. And then we were just here before. And then we're going to head back to Takaka. Go and check out the beach. South Island has 23% of New Zealand's population. Totaranui is a 1 kilometre long beach. Another busy day on a beach in New Zealand. Totaranui now. Totra is a tree in New Zealand, and nui means large, so large totra tree. Okay. Ohuna is a yellow-headed small bird, once common, now endangered. And probably less than 5,000 of them remain. Most of them have been destroyed by rats and stoats. The Mohuna bird is featured on New Zealand's $100 note. The Mohuna is a small insect-eating bird with a yellow head that only lives in forests in New Zealand's South Island and Stewart Island. There's less than 5,000 left. Collingwood has a population of about 240 people. You turn off at Seaford to head off towards Anatori. Oh, well, it's afternoon now. So we're currently at Port Puponga. There's a fair old spit here. We'll probably be camping around here. We're on the way to Anatori, but we won't be able to get that because there's a river crossing here. Okay. Other than that, just beautiful views around here. The river crossing is going to be too deep this time of the year, at least for me. I reckon there might be snow there. We've seen snow several times today. Probably one of the last times it will snow, 2nd of September for this year. Puponga once had the Southern Hemisphere's longest wharf, 1 kilometre long. Now there's just a few stumps left. Coal seams were found near Puponga back in the late 1890s. The Maori name for Farewell Spit is Wantua, which translates for heaped up sand. Farewell Spit's about 26 kilometres long. It's New Zealand's longest sand spit. And coal accounts for 10% of New Zealand's energy currently. Gold was mined around Anatori in the 1870s. At its heights were over 500 people digging. The road to Anatori has about 14 causeways. It was built during the Depression by a team of about 100 men. Anatori River is about 12 kilometres long and is about 59 kilometres from Collingwood.
Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay.
It's 180 kilometres from Nelson to Anatori River. That's the Waka Rama range there. Mount Stevens is the highest mountain in this range at 1,300 metres. Well, we're currently about here on this road, taking in some of the west coast views. There's Anatori there. We've got a few rivers to get there, so maybe next time with a different bike. But other than that, we're going to be continuing along here, back to Collingwood, then Takaka, then over the Takaka Hill later on today.
Peninsula Bridge, Motueka River.
Coming to the end of this trip shortly, next hour or so. Just taking checking out some other views and spots along the Motueka River. We're on the east side of Motueka River. Lots of fishing spots along here. Well, we've got to the end of our trip over to the Golden Bay. Checked it out over several days. Managed to avoid riding in the rain. Sometimes it means staying in your tent, wherever you're staying, a bit longer. Okay, everything went pretty well actually. Okay, mate wā.